we do our best. Okay, let's do our best. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let me go through this with you slowly. Okay. All have your practice set. Xavier, do you do your practice set? You stand outside the class. You a lot of time, you always never do. Stand outside. When are you going to do? What are you going to do? You owe me so much, you know, you haven't returned. What are you going to do? Don't always procrastinate. What's not going to do or not? Then why you never say that? Why never say? You also never say. Then waiting. Just now I asked the why you never say. Huh? You didn't hear? So I ask again, who don't have your practice set? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people? 5. Huh? You are halfway. Okay, at least you are halfway. Salihan, 6. Huh? You are halfway. Okay. What about you? Halfway. Halfway. Okay, you? Halfway. Okay. At least you try halfway, not so bad. At least yeah. You never even try there. Not good, huh? Okay. Okay, let's do together with you. Let's do together. Huh? Yeah. Okay, let me show you first one. Question 1. Question 1. B. Question 1. C. Any question that you are not sure? If not, is it okay that you take? Maybe you a lot of time already, better work harder. You understand? It's not so healthy. It's not such a healthy habit. Okay? What do we call this? Procrastinate. Think you got do? Something got do? Got. Okay, bad beats a lot of your cheat to. Okay, slowly go down. Slowly go down. Okay. D. Is it okay? If you got wrong, then you just let me know. I go through it. C. Can. You can take out second square. Okay. Why secant 2x, why secant x? But I think you purposely ask this to where's the wrong one that you did?
Let's stop if he did topic 6.
She did topic 6. Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I can factorize out 2 out. Do you mean, Isabella, do you mean factorize out 2? Not secant x, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so we go on. We go on. Question 3. Yeah, can. But try to put the points. Now, which question you do until? It's okay. 3B. Is it okay? They are all just techniques. So I did actually not much concept. It's just formula, apply, formula, apply, formula, apply. Huh? Three above three is okay. So sine x, if sine 4x, right, you want to put it as sine x to the power of 4 is still acceptable lah. Just that just be careful. Do not write this This one okay, but not this. Not this. Don't write like that Don't write like this. It's very confusing. Okay, it's very confusing. Huh? This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, because I do not know whether you're talking about sine x power 4 or is it just sine x entire form. Yeah. So there are two different things. The two different. Okay. Let's do. Let's wait. We will get there. We will talk about it when we get. Okay. So now you look at C. Remember in differentiation, so I told you everything try to put in index form. Okay, so you put it in index form. Write this as cosine x squared plus 7 power half. So you see layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Okay, 3 layers. Okay, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Okay, yes. Can I leave 3A in factorized form? Meaning you take out cos x. That is okay as well. Yeah. Cannot. Yeah. So generally the answer, if you factorize, don't factorize, it doesn't they are not particular. Unless question say, Archie, leaving your answer in expanded form. Leaving your answer in fully factorized. Then there's a specificity in what they want. Or then you must leave it in that structure. Leaving your answer in the form of A sin x plus B cos x. Then that's the structure. Okay, okay. Then yeah. So after you differentiate this, you can see layer 1. Differentiating layer 1 gives you this. Differentiating layer 2 gives you this. Differentiating layer 3 gives you this. Okay, I hope it is okay. By and large, try your best, put your answer in a compact format. Okay, compact format. This is the answer for 3C. Okay. Here, D. The answer is over here. It's pretty mouthful as well. You can also, if you even want, you can write this as negative 3 sine 6x. For those of you who's very keen or doing double angle formula, it can also be this. Both are okay lah. Sine 6x. You know? Double angle. Sine 2a. So like 2 sine 8. No, over 2, over 2. Sorry. 3 over 2. Like that. Correct, Am I right? Because I take sine 6x. Here. Yeah. So here, again, if you are confused by this, right, you don't know what to do, a way to start is by putting everything in index form. Okay? This is one of the tricks. Put it in index form. You notice in polynomial, I always say, put in index form, put in index form, put in index form, put in index form. This is what I mean by index form. Then you look at the different layers again. So actually, this is the textbook solution. They use function loop. I won't even bother with that. I just use chain loop. Okay, I just use chain loop. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Okay, ma? This is 3D. No one is looking. Okay, Sean, I see Sean looking. So I pause. Sean, don't copy everything. Do write. Just write the answer now. Do yourself. When you never do or you're doing correction, copying the answer is not just, it's not, you also know that you won't be learning anything. You need to go back and process everything. Just copy some steps. The rest you try yourself. Yeah, I go down. Okay. Make sure you take the ownership. You figure out where you go wrong. Oh, 1 second. Let me check it. No, nothing. Okay. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Question 6. May I go to 6? Anyone still need 3? Anyone? No one. F. E and F. Eh? Eh? No, no need to do E and F. Did they say do E and F? Me lah. Yeah, I'll do it now then. Okay. Yeah. 3E. 2 minus cosine 2x to the power of 3. Right? If I differentiate, this will give me 3. 2 minus cos 2x to the power of 2 multiplied by negative 2 sine 2x. Answer will be negative 6 sine 2x. 2 minus cosine 2x squared. This is the answer for E. Did we get the same? Differentiate, changing this to index form. 3 minus sine 2x, power half. Power go front, power drop by 1.
It's not positive sine 2x. It's already negative cosine 2x. So if it's differentiated, it will be sine 2x.
Okay, thank you. Love you. Oh, okay. What? Wait, what do they do?
Minus sine.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so then after that, I multiply. Then I differentiate inside. Negative 2 cos 2x. Oh, then cancel. This will give me negative cosine x. Again, I push it back to third form.
Cosine 2x.
Oh no, what's wrong with me today? It's kind of bad. Okay, cosine 2x. Done? Can I? Okay, so this is 3E, 3F. Very good that you're correct. It means you are paying attention. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay. Yeah, slowly go down. Huh? No one need. No one need. No one needs, huh? I go down. Slowly. Okay, I go down. Okay. Question 6. Total got 4 questions. 6A first. Quite easy now. So I didn't really talk about it much. But if you ever want me to talk about it, please just feel free. Okay. Can 6B be simplified? Definitely can. It can be simplified. Yeah. Yes. What about sine x plus pi? Yes, negative sine x. Okay. So here, if you want to go on further, cos x plus pi is the same as negative cos x. Sine x plus pi is the same as negative sine x because quadrant 3. Remember, if x is quadrant 1, x plus pi is quadrant 3. So you can also, another answer, it can also be written as negative sine 3x sine x plus 3 cos x. Sorry. One second. Minus. So this one will be minus, become a plus. 3 cos 3x cosine x minus. So therefore, because of a minus sign here, the minus minus will become a plus. That's a minus minus become a plus. Okay, that's already all plus, right? The negative went in, right? So wouldn't this negative sign interact with this negative sign to give you a positive? Correct or not? Wouldn't this negative sign interact with this negative? Because if this is negative cos x, right? Wouldn't the two negative sign give you a positive? Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I'm checking with you. I'm checking with you. I'm honestly checking with you. Yeah. Just not a test. Just now was a test. This one is not. This one is I really don't know. Actually. Okay. Can I? Okay. Now I look at C. C is also quite so for C you need to use product rule. Okay. Ah. Yeah, good. Okay, okay. So if you want to simplify another, that means another version, or you can also say it's cosine 6 2x cos 2x minus 14 x plus 1 sine 2x. Okay. Okay, ma? Ah. Is it fine if you don't leave it in a completely simplified form? Means like this, huh? You prefer like this, huh? Or like this? First one or second one, both are okay. Both are okay. Okay, generally, if I see that it's part of a big question, if this is going to be something that I'm going to solve as an equation later on, my preference is to leave it factorized. Because factorized is easier to solve as an equation. If not, then yeah. But this question, if we understood the intention, right? The intention of this practice set is for just to test you on differentiation techniques. Okay, not solving any equation. Actually, Aiden, stop. No sweet talking in my class. Okay? Can I? Okay, don't D. Cos 2x, 1 minus x squared. Okay, so this one you use quotient rule. You see a quotient, you use quotient rule. You see a product, you use product rule. Okay,
The E and F answers your
yeah, sis.
question 3. E and F answer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me take away so don't confuse you. Okay. This is question 6, huh? Maybe some question 6. Okay. Very good. You're paying close attention. Okay. Yeah, 6 C and D. Is it okay? Where did the negative sign go? So negative went in. Sorry, it's fine. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. If you reach this step, it's now. But what would be good is combining these two.
I combine.
Two combine.
Yeah, I just said this. Then I brought out the cosine 2x.
These two no need, but these two need. So I should combine.
I combined, then I brought out the cosine 2x instead of making it into double angle.
That's okay. That's okay. Double angle is not a must. But only for normal factorization, these two, then it's a must. It should become a form. Okay. Issue? Don't have? Have, don't have? Salihan, what are you doing? Huh? Shooting, you shooting blanks. Okay. Question 9. Yes? Which one? 9, 6. 6. Is there any part that bothering you? 6, D. 60, yeah. Okay, so maybe let me talk a bit about 60. 60, you can see that this is a quotient rule. On top, U and B. So actually, if let's say I'm doing the question, what I do is I call U square cosine 2x 2. This U prime 2 cos 2x. Then differentiate inside negative 2 sin 2x. 可以吗? Okay, there is an outside layer, inside layer. Outside layer, inside layer. So actually then this gives me negative 4 sin 2x cos 2x. Then I go to B. B is 1 minus x squared. B prime is 2 bracket 1 minus x power 1 negative 1. I differentiate inside. See, outside come out negative. So that's negative 2, 1 minus x. Now actually you see, this is B, B prime. I use this all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go to the quotient rule. Okay, okay. Yeah. What's the intention of this practice set? Just to teach you or recap with you topic 5 at first part. There are differentiation techniques. Okay, yeah. How to go on second last step? Okay, so second last step, right? See this portion, right? Second last step here. You see 2 sine A cos A is the same as sine 2A. Right? So this becomes this, right? Negative 2, 1 minus x become x minus 1. Okay? But Kaisen, if you reach this step and you didn't go any further, I think it's acceptable also. Okay, you don't need to do extra to simplify. Oh, okay, can. So that's the same as what who was it? Baba do the same. So I go to question 9. Can you see question 6 part B? Question 6 part B. Question 6 part B, cosine x plus pi, it may be very confusing. But let's say if you use supplementary angle formula, cosine x plus pi, actually this is legit the same as cosine pi. Cosine x, sorry. You also remember? If x is a cube, x plus pi is quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 cosine is negative. That's why in quadrant 3, cosine x negative cos x is the same as cos x plus pi. You can start with this state. Then your life might be easier. Okay? But this is the final answer. This or this. Both are good. My preference is to take away the pi. My preference is to take away pi. Then your life will need to be so difficult. Okay? Suppose you forgot this formula. Then what can I do? Anyone? What did we just learn in topic 2? Cosine x plus pi. Yes, it's the same as cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. What is cosine pi? Minus 1. What is sine pi? 0. That's why the answer just turns out to be negative cosine. That is another way. Many thousand ways to simplify something. Okay? Are you okay? Can I? Today you're all yellow. You all are the very hard. We went into house. Once yellow, all yellow. Then one day, who was all purple? You all purple. You all purple. I'm always in black. Every day I wear the same thing. Have I told you before? So I wear the same. I bought 5 of the same shirts. Yeah. But do you know why? It's actually one of the habits of successful people. Yeah. So I do the same thing every day, day in, day out. Yeah. I wear the same thing. Yeah. So Steve Jobs wear the same shirt every day. Okay, but you know this story? So what's the reason? Is okay, I mean, when I did this, it's not because of him, but it's because of decision fatigue. There are two, on average, one person a day makes, I think, 3,800 over decision. So I don't want to think so. Every day I eat I wear the same shirt. Every day I eat chicken rice. Yeah. So at the start of every Monday, I will go to the auntie. I give her my pocket money for the whole week. Okay. Huh? Somehow still okay. Okay. But there are a few teachers in the school that also wear the same. Okay, Hannah. So next one, 4 cos x over sin x, where x is between 0 to pi. So you see this, first thing when you differentiate, you can use quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. Hannah. Differentiate the top, keep the bottom, u over v, u times first method. You differentiate first. Okay, you should get, yeah, but being a bit sloppy here, but I hope you are able to get straight away, Now, you may get up to this format. Up to this format. I hope you saw that there's a sine square plus cos square. I hope you put it as 1. If you didn't, do it now. Okay? Then it becomes negative 4 sine square. Now next, the tangents at the curve are perpendicular to the line. The tangents at the curve are perpendicular to the line. Now you know the line, if you were to put it in gradient intercept form, x minus 2 equals to 8y. That means y is 1 over 8x minus 2 over 8, which is the same as 1 over 8x minus 1/4. Okay? So if I'm perpendicular to this line, what's my gradient gonna be? If my tangent is perpendicular to this line, what's my gradient gonna be? Minus 8. Very good. All you all are going well with the game. Gradient gonna be minus 8. Cosine x over sine x equals to, wait, which part are you referring to, sir? Yeah. So let me try. Okay, so what you're saying is you are saying that this is the same as, oh yeah. And also. So the reason why is because again, this is from O-level textbook. AMAT 360 is an O-level syllabus. O-level, they do not have the formula for differentiating cotangent, secant and cosecant, and secant as well. So that's why we don't use it. But I mean, if we know, we can use it. We definitely should. Did anyone do the same? Anyone wrote it as 4 cotangent? Very good. Yeah, but still doable. So if I differentiate as so 4 cotangent, right? Yeah, a lot. If I differentiate, it's minus 4 cosecant square. And then 4 secant square is the same as minus 4 over sine square. You know, it's just that probably Renee and Alex didn't have to go through all the artwork. How to actually get over the straight past us. Okay? What's the lesson tell you? It's superior to know A-level formula. Okay. IP doesn't mean it's about squeezing things downwards. Some of you say, hey, why is it everything? It's about putting things in a different sequence. Okay? Okay. So I go on. So after which we know that the gradient of the tangent must be negative 8. We equate the gradient function to negative 8. We find that sine x is 1 over 2, square root 1 over plus square root 2. I get 2/10 of 48. Okay, don't forget that this here dictates that your range is only range, not range. Range, it's only quadrant 1, quadrant 2. As long as your answer is correct. Okay, as long as myself. If your answer is wrong, then I will go and look back at your basic angle, whether I can give you marks for the basic angle. That's why we always tell students follow all the steps. Okay? Yeah. So That is question 9. Oh, it's yeah, no, it's just the x minus 1. Cotangent of x minus 1. Yeah, center copy. Okay. Everyone okay? Too fast, too slow? Need me to slow down? Need me to repeat? Need me to show anything? Need me to go through any question again? You must ask, okay. I teach based on needs. I don't teach based on diagnosis. Okay, yes. Sometimes yes. You mean in this question or 6D? No need. 6D just okay. Can you start back? Just quotient two. Okay? Can I? Don't need to use. Our formula question usually they are very specialized. So for example, if you like the one you see in the phase 1, it's a diagram. Or they ask you, when will I ask students to use R formula? When they need to find, for example, the greatest or smallest value of summation or difference of two cosine functions. Then the argument must also be the same. Sin x, cos x. It cannot be 2x and x. Yeah, this kind of question usually no R formula. Why? Because the intention of the practice set is just to get you to practice your differentiation. That's all. Okay, so after the practice set, what have you learned? So Jiali can tell himself after this practice set, I know how to differentiate secant, cosecant, cotangent, sine, cosine, everything. All in the back of my hands. I know how to do them with sine product quotient. Okay. Then I go to question 11. Okay, question 11 has the equation sine x2 minus cos 2x. Use two methods to show that 2 cos 2x minus 1. Okay, if you know you can use that. Yeah, if you know you can use. Okay, but what you can do is again, a lot of ways. You can simplify it using double angle. You can simplify it using double angle. I mean, you can use quotient rule. You can use product rule. Okay, so I'm just going to stick to very humble O-level methods. Product rule, quotient rule. Quotient rule, product rule. Okay, and you both get the same method. Yeah, actually they are the same. You can prove that they are the same. And in our notes, we did use quotient rule to prove that it's we use product to prove quotient. So, however, algebraically, quotient rule is easier. If it's a quotient, it's easier. If it's a product rule, if your question is a quotient, you use product rule, then you need to do some factorization. Okay, and so I go to 11 part 1, where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Now, if the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, means the gradient of the tangent is 0. This one means that you want gradient of tangent to be 0. It means that you need 2 cos 2x minus 1 over 2 minus cos 2x squared equals to 0. When you have a fraction to be 0, it doesn't matter about the denominator, right? You don't really need to care about the denominator. You don't really need to care about scalar multiples with a constant. Straight away, if you're able to do speedy math, my next step, I write down straight away. This is acceptable. Okay, it tells me that you know your stuff. Straight away, cosine 2x equals to half. Okay, easy. Now, looking at such a small range, there are only a few answers that are possible, right? And they already told you it's x coordinate. It means that there are only one answer. So what will 2x be? 2x will be, what's cosine inverse half? Pi over Cosine inverse half? 5/3. I thought, I heard 2. You heard what?
3.
You say 2. Oh,
That's right.
sure?
It's 3.
Oh,
3.
3? I think I'm hearing now this is not good. Okay, so sorry about it. Same?
Yeah, thank you.
Same? Oh, same. Okay. Rich. Okay, so let's go up. So the answer is just part of this. Okay? Yeah. Anyone still doing? Okay, I'll give you some time to do your practice set first. Yeah. Can I go to part 1? Part 1, I mean, okay, I don't need 2 methods. Just show me 1. Yeah, I think you can use any 1 method is good enough. So I repeat again. Not following the question, I don't need 2 methods. Okay, because for me, very simple. You got 1 way to do it. Means you can answer the question. You can show that we can get this is the gradient. That's good enough for me. Okay? Can yeah. My advice is to use quotient rule. Okay, if it's a quotient, you use quotient rule. If it's a quotient and you use product rule, what happens is you notice you need to do extra factorization. Okay, it kills a few more brain cells, although the outcome is the same. Okay. So we always want to find use the most elegant method, the most efficient method to get the answer. I now give you some time to complete your practice set. Those who are done, you can start on practice set 2. Okay? Have you all done your practice set 2? No. You can do it now. Practice set 2 you're done. Okay. Then you can do practice set 2. Okay. You want to do additional question? I'll just go through also. Okay. Of course. Okay. Negative 3x cosecant 2x cubed. Product rule. Okay, you see that there's 1 term, there's 2 terms. This is u, this is b. This is u, this is b. Okay, 2 secant 1 minus x. I'm going to play cheat. I can also write it as 2 cosine 1 minus x. You see, I don't have to go so hard. Oh, yeah. Then after you differentiate, answer A, B, C. Okay, yeah. Please show me the working steps. Don't just write down the answer. I don't know if you like just copy your one. Show me the working steps. Now I give you some time to do your correction. Now satisfied, you can pass the license. Or 6. Oh, okay. Once you're okay, just pass to the front. I give you some time. Please start on practice set 2. Okay? I'll give you some time. Please start on practice set 2. I won't start on topic 6 yet. Okay? Oh, yes. Actually, I want to give you. Let's start. Can I show question 11? Part 1, part 2? Sorry, you just go. Huh? Can I see what? Sorry? Okay? Can you see the quiz 2? Obvious. Okay. I don't have it now. You mean me exam, right? I don't have it now. I have to go and take. Give me some time. But Alex, likely is being put into all the worksheets. Yeah, we already put it in the practice. Can I? Can I show the answer, additional answer? Wait, give me a second. Holly, you okay? I go down. Okay. Can I show additional answer? Hey, oh, you drink this? Sayang, cannot, yes. Okay. Practice set 2 tomorrow. It should be pretty manageable. Okay, I don't need you to do the additional question. What is that? Yeah, just the 4 questions. If you've done, it's okay. No, you've done, it's okay. Yeah. I asked for the minimum, but of course, I hope for to get the maximum. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I don't dare to ask for maximum. I scared I'm disappointed.
Low expectations, high results.
Low expectation. Wait, again. Low expectation.
When you lower your expectation, the higher your results.
The higher the happiness. Happiness.
Aim for a B and you get an A, it seems very high. No.
Yeah. That is true. Big show of hands, who is still doing practice set 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Okay, which one? C. Up or down? Okay. 11, 11. Hang you, what are you doing? practice set. Okay. I've also sent practice 6 topic questions up. Yeah. Go at home, Xavier. I said not, be disciplined.
Yes.
Yeah. Baba, do. Okay. Are you copying? Hello. Where is your 9-11? Then you never invite me. So you were not lying when you say your homework went missing or your house too big. What are you doing now? Joshua? Are you done with practice set 1? Okay, try your best, please. Try your best. The person who's most prepared for the show is the person who has prepared the most behind the scenes. Okay, yeah. You also know, come to the class then do math homework is not a good habit.